guys, my name's Nisha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through my everyday makeup routine. This is going to be the makeup that I do when I only have like maybe 15 minutes and I just want to do it quick but don't really want to leave the house without looking like a hot mess like I do right now. So let's just jump right into it and we can get started. So first thing that I always do, which I've actually already done off camera, but I'm going to tell you anyways, is moisturize. And my favorite moisturizer that I like to use and have been using for a few years now is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream. And this one is for extra dry skin because I have really dry skin and it's fragrance free. I love it. It's light, but it does the work. It's amazing. And then once this absorbs into my skin, right afterwards, I usually put some sunscreen on because I cannot go a day without putting sunscreen on. It's so important, and I've actually noticed a huge difference in my skin when it comes to like acne and impurities. Sunscreen, as weird as it sounds, amazing. And the sunscreen that I like to use is same as the moisturizer. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which is 30 SPF. It's for the face. Again, it's light, it smells really nice, and it doesn't clog your pores, which is another good thing. So next, I'm going to be doing my foundation, and the foundation that I like to use is the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is the hydrating and smooth version. This is my favorite foundation of all time. I used to always use Makeup Forever, I don't know, HD something from Sephora, and it was like $40 to $50 all the time. And then I watched a lot of YouTube videos of beauty gurus that praise this foundation. I went and tried it and I'm obsessed. I can't use anything else. It's amazing, and I think I bought it for like maybe $6 to $10. Amazing. Okay, and the sponge I'm gonna use is my e.l.f. sponge. I love this one. It's super affordable, and I just like how soft it is. You know, there's a lot of sponges that I find they're really hard and they just press everything and smear it all over my face, and this one doesn't do that, so I love that. So I'll just apply this all over my face. I don't usually put on primer every day. I only do that if I'm like doing like a lot of makeup and, you know, want it to stay on for a long time. So I just put on my foundation. And now this foundation actually has SPF as well, which is great. So on top of my sunscreen that I already have, this one also has some sunscreen in it. So definitely, you can definitely smell the sunscreen a little bit, but it's really light. I don't like to put on as much foundation on my forehead as the rest of my face because I find it just cakes up so much after a couple hours. I really notice it the most in my forehead. I would say that I have combination skin, so my T-zone is definitely the oiliest, and then all around it, it gets so dry and like patchy and whatever. But now since most of my forehead gets kind of oily, just all foundation looks kind of weird on my forehead, so I don't really like to put too much, just like the tiniest little bit, just so it matches the rest of my face. Now, another thing I really like about this foundation is that it's buildable. So if I feel like I want to add some more coverage, I can. It just dries really nicely on the skin. Okay, so now that I've put on my foundation, I'm going to be doing my contour next. And for my contour, I like to use the Too Faced, what's it called? Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I've had this for quite a while now. It's almost done, but I love it. It smells amazing, it smells like chocolate. I know this is a bronzer, Corona. So I know that this is a bronzer, but I still use it as a contour. I think it looks really good. I don't put too much anyways, so it works for me. funny, the brush that I'm using, it's actually from, what's a contour palette. It's a Too Faced one, it's a chocolate. This came with that palette and I love it. I love using this to apply my powder contour. It works really, really nicely. I've had it for a long time. It's done me good. Don't come at me for the way that I'm doing my makeup. I am not a makeup artist. This is just the way that I do it. I find it works for my face. But if I'm not doing anything right, please don't judge me. Alright, we're gonna chisel that chin. Really makes a huge difference. I love doing this. Goes right behind my ear almost. Okay, perfect. So we're done with our contour. With my nose a little bit more. There we go. Okay, next is my concealer. And I like to use Pretty Vulgar. I got this in my BoxyCharm and I mean, I don't love it. It's not the best, but it gets the job done for sure. It's just a little bit too dark for me, so I have to mix it with a lighter color to kind of even it out. Okay. And we're gonna blend that in. What a difference. Like, I can't even, what would life be without concealer? If there's one product that I would only wear, would be concealer. For sure. Like, holy, what a difference. I'm alive. Hello. All right, so next thing that we're gonna do is I'm going to use my setting powder, which I can't find right when I need it the most. Oh no, no, when this happens. Oh my God, can you even see it? It cracked. No. Yeah, don't put your powder in your purse. Horrible, horrible idea. Although this is just e.l.f.'s Perfect Finish HD powder. Super affordable. I actually really do like it. I like how it works. I do like e.l.f. products for sure. For a drugstore brand, they really do have quality products. Oh no, oh my God, it's getting worse. What I like about it is because it's white, I find it kind of highlights under the eye a little bit more, which, you know, you never can have too much of because I'd be looking like a zombie these days. I have like one of those, you know, like real eyebrow brushes that come with those eyebrow kits that you can get from Walmart, but I don't know, toothbrush really does the trick for me. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna have to do my eyebrows pretty soon here. Okay, next, I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara, excuse me, and I'm gonna put on some lashes. It's nice because I do naturally have really long eyelashes, so I could go off without having to wear lashes, but feeling a little dramatic today. Yeah, anyways, if I'm really on a tight schedule, I don't put on lashes because I'm still new at putting them on, so I'm not really that good, and I can't do it really, really fast. It takes me like at least 5 minutes. Man, look at this. Like, okay, I put a little bit on, but like, look at the difference of these lashes compared to this side. Like, this mascara is amazing. I love it. It doesn't really get clumpy. So for some reason, my right lashes, the shape of them are kind of different. So I actually like to go with this old wand that I have from another mascara. There's no mascara. I just use it to straighten out my lashes when they get clumped together, because the brush on this is really nice. It's like really, there's just a lot of bristles on it, so I find it separates my lashes really, really good. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter. Or actually, I might do blush first. So the blush that I like to use is this Chiate. I'm not really too sure what it is. This is what it looks like on the inside. I love it. It is the Marbled Light Halo Blush. I like it because it has like some shimmer. So it's a little bit of a lighter brush, but because of those shimmers in the light, it adds to your highlight, and it's really nice on the skin. Put a tiny little bit over my nose. I know that like everyone's doing it nowadays, but just a tiny little bit. I think it's so cute. See, I don't know if you can see, but there's like a little bit of a shimmer to it. I love it. Super cute. And for my highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Becca. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. So it looks like I love this highlighter. Like, I can't even tell you enough. And I'm gonna add the tiniest bit just underneath my eyebrow too. Okay, almost done. Oh my god, almost forgot my nose. Super light, nothing crazy. Okay, and last thing I'm gonna do is my false lashes. Okay, I made the mistake of buying black eyelash glue, so hopefully this doesn't get really messy. Okay, and we're all done here. So this is the final look. So this is my everyday makeup look, nothing crazy. Again, I don't do my lashes all the time, but this is just what I want to do. If I'm rushing, it doesn't take that long. Usually if I'm doing my eyeshadow, it takes like at least an hour, so this is quick to me. Well, thanks for watching.